Welcome to Society's AI Media, where we explore the incredible world of artificial intelligence and how it can transform your life. Today, we're diving into practical ways you can let AI work for you, making your daily tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize how we live and work. From automating mundane tasks to providing insightful data analysis, AI is here to help you achieve more with less effort. But how exactly can you harness this power? First, let's understand the basics. AI refers to systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can improve themselves based on the information they collect. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that can handle tasks for you, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Before we continue, let's take a moment to talk about how you can bring the power of AI into your business. At Society AI Media, we specialize in AI automation services, creating AI chatbots, and conducting data analysis to help you streamline your operations and make smarter decisions. Imagine having AI handle your routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters. Our AI chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring your clients always receive prompt and accurate responses. And with our advanced data analysis, you'll gain insights that can drive your business forward. Whether you're looking to automate your workflow, enhance customer engagement, or unlock the full potential of your data, Society AI Media is here to help. Visit our website using the link in the description below to learn more about our services and see how we can transform your business with AI. Now, let's get back to the video and discover more ways AI can work for you. Let's look at some everyday applications where AI can make a big difference. Personal assistants. AI-powered personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can manage your schedule, send reminders, and even control smart home devices. Imagine waking up to a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, thanks to your AI assistant. Email management. AI can help you manage your emails by sorting through them, prioritizing important messages, and even drafting responses. Tools like Gmail's Smart Reply and Smart Compose are great examples. Financial management. Apps like Mint and YNAB use AI to help you budget, track spending, and even suggest ways to save money. AI can analyze your spending patterns and provide personalized financial advice. Health and fitness. AI can also be your personal health coach. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Fitbit use AI to track your fitness goals, suggest workouts, and monitor your progress. Now, let's explore how AI can transform your professional life. Task automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, scheduling meetings, and managing customer support tickets. Tools like Zapier and Make.com, formerly Integromat, integrate AI to streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Data analysis. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that would take humans hours, if not days, to uncover. Software like Tableau and Microsoft Power BI use AI to visualize data and identify trends. Content creation. AI can even assist in content creation. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-4 can generate blog posts, social media content, and marketing materials, saving you time and sparking creativity. Customer service. AI chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also reduces operational costs. So, how do you get started with AI? Here are a few steps to help you begin your AI journey. Identify your needs. Determine which tasks or processes in your life or business could benefit from AI. Look for repetitive, time-consuming tasks that you would like to automate or optimize. Research AI tools. Once you know your needs, research AI tools that can help. There are plenty of resources online, including reviews and tutorials to guide you. Start small. Begin with a small AI project. Implement a personal assistant to manage your schedule or use an AI tool to help with data analysis. This will help you get comfortable with AI without feeling overwhelmed. Learn and adapt. AI is constantly evolving, so keep learning and adapting. Join online communities, attend webinars, and stay updated on the latest AI trends and developments. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's here now, ready to make your life easier and more productive. By integrating AI into your daily routine and work processes, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Society's AI Media for more insights into the amazing world of artificial intelligence. Let AI work for you by doing this, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. See you next time. Stay curious, stay innovative, and let AI lead the way.